Okay, this is part one of walking you through how the portfolio that I showed in class works and how it was created. The first step, if you're doing it from scratch, is obviously to create some sketches so they can get you when you're using Photoshop, and also to create a folder that has all the assets, all the images, all the HTML documents, and everything else that you're going to go ahead and upload to your hosting service. In your case, it might be the local school server, your UWeb folder, or you might have purchased hosting. I have two pictures of two sketches that I did of the portfolio that I am going to go ahead and show you how I created, how I set it up, and how I uploaded it. In my portfolio folder, I have multiple folders that have different things. One of them, which is assets, shows you all the different things that I'm using to put this together, including in Photoshop. I have in Photoshop a place where I have sketched how this is going to look like. And on my layers, I have an area where I have added the text. I have another area where I have added the thumbnails. And I have an area for the background. And all that is layered, which makes me have an easy time when I need to go ahead and create the thumbnails. I just go ahead and take the cropping tool and then crop whatever I need and create a PNG file out of that. Everything else I hand coded or use a template from the web. So that's what's inside here. So in my thumbnails is a file that just has all the thumbnails in one little convenient area. See? So that's how I created them. That's how I created my thumbnails. And of course, that's on my asset folders in case I want to create future thumbnails. Also, inside the portfolio folder are all the images, all the thumbnails. Once I created them, I save them as PNG and put them there. Also, I have projects, which are other HTML documents based on a template, and I have any support files like JavaScript or styling, cascading style sheets. And I also have any other folders that I need to have to create these files. So the finished project or the finished product, when it's done, it looks something like this, which you guys have seen in class. Okay, so before you jump into the next section, I make some assumptions. The assumptions are as follows. I hope that you guys already have either a sketch or a template that you have decided to use. I hope that you have a folder in which you have all your assets, images, text, PDFs, etc., as well as a template you plan to use. If you have that, then you're ready to move on to the next stage, which is to go ahead and put it together. I have chosen Composer because it's free and available for Windows and Macintosh, as well as an FTP program, which I will go ahead and show you on the third part of this demo. Good luck!